How to fix PCI driver missing on Windows 10 and 11. Now for you to be able to double check it first, just go into your Windows icon, type in device manager, choose on this one, and then under other devices, you should be able to see your PCI software. Just simply double click on that and you should be able to know if it's not installed properly, like mine. So in this case, I'm just gonna have to reinstall it again or just simply update the driver. Now open up your preferred web browser and then just go into Intel chipset driver. Choose on the very first result. Now once you're redirected to Intel's official website, scroll down from here and then on step number 1, just simply click this link that says download drivers and software. Choose on chipsets and then the one that you need to be downloading is going to be the chipset INF utility. Click on this, it will automatically be downloaded on your browser and make sure to run and install this software. And you're done. That is how you fix PCI device driver missing in Windows 10 and 11.